Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Index Engineering. Today's episode, we're going to be doing some welding using our brand new YESWelder helmet. So, I hope you guys enjoy. So to get started, we had a old welding helmet from Harbor Freight, and that lasted about 4 years, 5 years, somewhere around there, before it finally quit auto darkening. So we picked up this YESWelder 2.5 from Amazon. It was like about 80 bucks. It's got the side glass windows on the side, auto darkening bigs on the front, the adjustable where you can adjust it to whatever darkness you want it to go. It's even got the little settings on the inside so you can test it. You can change it from welding to grinding, and you can adjust the sensitivity and delay and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to be using this today, testing it out since it just arrived. We have a little bit of welding we need to do. We have a electric motor that we need to weld the tabs back on it. So I had to make a couple of configuration changes. I had to up the sensitivity on this a little bit, but otherwise it has a nice clear, it doesn't distort the color very much. Makes it really easy to weld with. So far I like it. We'll have to test it out on some more welding here in the future.